Who owns the road to the future? Tesla's biggest shareholders. Ever wondered who's behind the wheel of the electric revolution? Tesla, the company synonymous with sleek electric vehicles and audacious innovation, has become a cultural phenomenon. But have you ever stopped to think, who are the people with the biggest stake in its success? The world of finance can be a complex one, filled with figures and percentages that can make your head spin. But understanding who owns a significant portion of Tesla is crucial. These shareholders hold immense power to shape the company's direction. They can influence everything from future product lines to environmental practices. So, buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the fascinating world of Tesla's biggest shareholders. The individual powerhouse, Elon Musk. Let's start with the name synonymous with Tesla itself, Elon Musk. This visionary entrepreneur isn't just the CEO, he's also a major shareholder. As of June 2024, estimates suggest Musk holds roughly 14% of Tesla's outstanding shares. That translates to a significant amount of influence. His belief in the electric future and his bold leadership have undeniably fueled Tesla's growth. But it's important to remember, Musk's a busy guy. He's also spearheading SpaceX and Neuralink, which means his focus on Tesla can shift. This raises questions: how much will Musk's individual influence shape Tesla in the coming years? The institutional investors, a collective force. Now, let's move beyond the individual and delve into the world of institutional investors. These are big players, think investment firms, mutual funds, and hedge funds. They pool money from various sources and invest in companies like Tesla. As a group, they hold a staggering amount of Tesla stock. Here are some of the key players. The Vanguard Group, this investment giant holds the largest institutional stake in Tesla, hovering around 8% as of June 2024. Their focus on long-term growth aligns well with Tesla's ambitious vision. BlackRock, another heavyweight, BlackRock, holds roughly 6% of Tesla's shares. Their influence can't be ignored, especially when it comes to issues like corporate governance and sustainability. Fidelity Management and Research Company, rounding out the top 3 institutional investors, is Fidelity, with a stake of around 4%. Their decisions can significantly impact Tesla's stock price and overall strategy. The wildcard, sovereign wealth funds. Beyond the traditional players, there's a growing presence of sovereign wealth funds. These are investment vehicles controlled by governments, and they are increasingly looking to diversify their portfolios. Some speculate that these funds might hold a combined stake of around 3% in Tesla. Their motivations can be complex, ranging from economic diversification to securing access to cutting-edge technology. How these sovereign wealth funds choose to wield their influence remains to be seen. Beyond the numbers, shared interests and diverging priorities. It's important to remember that these shareholders aren't a monolith. While there might be some shared interests, like seeing the company grow and stock prices rise, there can also be diverging priorities. Short-term versus long-term, some shareholders might prioritize short-term gains, pushing for increased profitability. Others might be more focused on long-term innovation and environmental impact. Risk tolerance, shareholders also have varying risk tolerances. Some might be comfortable with Musk's bold bets, while others might prefer a more cautious approach. These different perspectives can lead to interesting debates within the company. The challenge for Tesla's leadership will be to navigate these diverse viewpoints and make decisions that benefit the company in the long run. The future of Tesla's shareholder landscape. The landscape of Tesla's ownership is constantly evolving. New institutional investors might emerge, and individual shareholders might adjust their holdings. What's certain is that the composition of Tesla's shareholder base will continue to play a crucial role in shaping the company's future. Will Elon Musk maintain his significant influence? Will institutional investors push for a more conservative approach? How will sovereign wealth funds impact the company's direction? These are just some of the questions that will shape the future of Tesla. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.